Hello, welcome back guys to Motorola channel here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to activate screensaver on Motorola G06 Power. But before that, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, first thing first, here of course you just have to open the settings apps. Now in the settings, go to this display options. And now in this display page, you just have to scroll it down until we'll find the screensaver options like this. Tap on it. To activate it, you just have to tap at the button beside the use screensaver. I'm gonna tap on it. Now we can also here set for the start time. Here tap on the when to start. We can use for while charging or as while docked and charging. Here I'm gonna use the first one only for charging. And now for the screensaver, we can choose here for the alarms, or we can use the colors, or also here for the photos. And if you want to choose the photos, you just have to tap on this customize first. And now we can use the photo by what album that you want to use for the screensaver. For example, here I'm going to use the photo by the screenshots album. So if you want to save it, you just have to go back. And yeah, I think it's enough from me guys, a tutorial how to activate the screensaver on Motorola G06 Power. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.